aerodynamic contours, frameless windows, and a striking rear design. The Volkswagen Arteon is eye-catching from any angle with its elongated coupe-like lines and low silhouette with expressive edges and dynamic curves. The wraparound bonnet and intelligent frameless side windows exude quality and elegance, while the distinctive sculpted rear with athletic shoulders evoke classic sports cars of the past, with twin chrome effect trapezoid exhausts and gloss black spoiler standard on the R-Line. Available in two different trims, the Elegance offers premium comfort, and on the R-Line, exclusive styling creates a sportier feel with uniquely starred bumpers, C-signature gloss black front air intakes, signature R-Line logo, and 19-inch Montevideo black alloys. The intelligent self-leveling LED headlights with daytime running complement the sporty bonnet and chrome radiator grille, forming the new Volkswagen face, whilst the LED taillights with dynamic indicators and distinctive Arteon lettering complete the look. On the inside, the Arteon is packed with new, intelligent technology and premium fittings such as Ergo Comfort sport seats in fine Napa leather, a leather multifunction steering wheel, active info display, and the 8-inch Discover navigation touchscreen with App Connect, or the optional 9.2-inch Discover Pro with gesture control. Getting about has never been easier with 3 years CarNet guide and inform access, latest fuel prices, weather, news, you name it. And with 10 years security and service, you'll have peace of mind. With advanced driver assistance systems such as the optional emergency assist with lane change, dynamic chassis control that allows you to tune your perfect ride, or the new adaptive cruise control with pedestrian protection, including speed assist and curve assist, driving has never been safer. The Volkswagen Arteon, design that you can feel.